Hey friends, today we're making dinner and dessert using the waffle iron. I hope you will like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you appreciate the work we're doing here on Mama Z's, and let's get started on today's video. Today I'm going to show you a really easy meal, lunch, snack idea for the kids. Your kids could even do this. We're going to make these mini pizzas in the waffle iron. Easy, and use pizza dough. Alright, so what I want to do is get this cut down to where I'm on the right size for my waffle iron. Because this comes in a kind of a long sheet. You could get your rolling pin and roll this out just a tear. I wouldn't make it too terribly thin, but I'm going to just kind of even it out just a little bit here. And then what you want to do is I'm taking just a bowl and setting it right in the center and pushing down. Taking my little knife here. Okay, and I'm going to do it again. Re-roll it. This is what we're going to go with right now. So I'm going to take, I've already had this heating. I am going to put some cooking spray on it, even though it's non-stick. I do not want anything sticking to this. We're going to take our little bun, we're going to take our pizza dough right there. Got some pizza sauce here that I'm just going to put, just so you don't want to overdo this by any means. We're going to throw some pepperonis on it. And then I'll put some cheese on it. I've just got grated mozzarella that I grated up myself. Just put a little bit there. Take your top, put it on top, and go for it. Now, this won't take that long to cook, but you always can open up your lid, check it, see if you need anything else. Lift it up. Oh, wow. Kind of check and see if your dough still feels a little gummy. Maybe just a touch longer. And this thing will be ready to go. Oh, yeah, there we go. Now, tell me, what kid is not going to want to make their own pizza? That's good. I really enjoyed this. Hang tight, I'm going to show you one more recipe that you can do. Okay, so the next one we're going to make, I'm using puff pastry, and yes, it's a dessert. You want to take it out of your freezer just a few minutes before you get ready to use it. And we're going to use kind of the same technique with the bowl. Cut it out. You could also use pie crust here. I just love puff pastry and try to use it any opportunity that I can. Okay, I've also got some of my homemade pie filling. If you have not seen that video, I will link it. Smells wonderful. And that's what we're going to use to make this. I also have peaches back there. I don't know if I'll get to the peaches or not. All right, you're going to lay your puff pastry down. Take some of your pie filling, whichever you like to use. You could use any pie filling in the world that you wanted with this. Take your other piece, set it on top, and you're going to clamp it down. Okay, so I think we're ready. Try to get up under it here. All right, look at that. And you could honestly top this with whipped cream, powdered sugar, whatever you might want on it. We'll just cut one here in half. Oh wow, you don't see that? This is gonna be good. Let's get our other pizza over here. So just like that, you could easily feed 2 people. A good dinner or a good lunch. This would be a great little lunch or even a snack. How perfect is this? Okay, thank you guys so much for joining us here on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. If you got a waffle iron, get it out and use it. You could even do this on the Dash waffle irons. I just like having the bigger ones because I can cook more at once. There you go. Tell me that wouldn't be good at a football game party or something like that. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen, and we'll see you guys on the next video.